create a cloud logo for business. Circle, 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 3 circles, make 2 circle big. Increase the stroke, increase the stroke. Copy this. So if we need these circles, we can use it. Weld it. Take rectangle. Select both. Shape builder. Alter and click the area you want to delete. This is now cloud. Again, we had weld these both, these 3 circle with pathfinder. Then we cut the below area with shape builder. Now take pen tool like this. This is pen tool. Create a line. Create a line. Use width tool. From width tool we can increase the line from 2 sides. Okay. Make this. Make this. Copy and rotate it. So this is our cloud logo we are working. Now copy these lines so we can use later if you want it. Select these 3 lines. You can see here it doesn't look good. So select this. You can make this line with you can make this line in object, means this stroke. So in that will be in object, path, outline, stroke. This is the option, and another is object, expand appearance. From this also you can do that, and from this also you can make strokes in object. So I have done that. But you see here our logo should look good. Okay. Spacing between the logo, between these lines should be very proper, because you are creating something for big company or brand. So now the shape builder tool, weld these 3. We had weld these 3. Select cloud and delete it. You can see we had created from cloud these lines. Now ungroup this, make this in orange. Okay, but like this. Hmm. Proper color will give good effect. Adjust your font text in good type of in select good font for better look for your company which you are working for. This is cloud logo. We will meet in next video. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this logo design.